row over Rahul Gandhi's seating at Independence Day event. The MOD clarifies on Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi's seating plan during Independence Day celebrations at the Red Fort today. The MOD clarifies that since this time they had to allocate the front rows to Olympic medal winners, therefore Rahul Gandhi was shifted to the back rows. Otherwise, Leader of Opposition protocol, he should have been made to sit in the first few rows. This is the message and a response coming in from the Ministry of Defence over controversy on Rahul Gandhi being pushed back. In fact, he was seated in the back rows, to which the response is coming from the Defence Ministry that the priority this time were the Olympic participants, especially those medal winners who were given priority to sit in the front rows. Section D of the Ministry of Defence is primarily responsible to conduct national functions and making seats and planning the seats and their lineup. He was sitting on the seat allocated to him today, and Defence Ministry responds to the controversy asking why Rahul Gandhi, Leader of Opposition, was pushed to the back rows. They say priority was to those Olympic medalists. Let me cut across to Shivani, our correspondent, joining us for more on that. Shivani, take us through what the controversy was all about and the clarification coming in now from the Ministry of Defence.
Gandhi was seen sitting on the back rows while the Independence Day function was on and Prime Minister was making his address. And this was a little unusual because as per the protocol, the Leader of Opposition is made to sit in the front rows. So he was sitting in the back rows, and now the clarification has come after questions were being raised on his seating plan. Now the MOD says that they had to make adjustments because they had to adjust and allocate the front seats to the Olympic medal winners, so he had to be shifted back, and that is the clarification that's coming in now. And the de-ceremonial section of the MOD makes all these seating plans. It is responsible for all these national functions, be it the Republic Day, the Independence Day, where all these dignitaries are made to sit in a certain protocol. So today, this protocol was not followed because the clarification comes that Olympians had to be adjusted as a mark of respect to them. So they were given the front rows, and Rahul Gandhi, as a result, was moved back. So that's the clarification that's coming in. And we know that the opposition has been raising questions on the treatment by the government, be it inside the parliament or outside on such functions occasions.